Today I will show you how to graft a plum tree. The first thing we will do is to choose the rootstock on which we will graft. In this case it is wild plum. This rootstock is strong, so we will take advantage of that and graft tree branches at the start so that our tree grows faster. We are removing overhanging branches that we don't need. In this way we will ensure that our scion grows unhindered and all the energy of the tree goes to them. If we damage the bark of the rootstock during the cutting, we will level it with a knife. In this way the tree will heal more easily. The technique I will use today is called a cleft grafting. One of the easiest techniques, so the success rate is very high. The first thing we do is making a cleft in the middle of the branch. Move the knife left and right with gradual pressure so as not to damage the bark. Now that we have made a cleft, we choose a branch that will graft with 2 or 3 buds. Always remove the first few centimeters from the branch, because that part will be the first to dry out if you took the branch a few weeks before grafting. After taking the grafted branch, let's make it a V shape so that we can press it into the cleft more easily. It is important that the bark remains smoothly cut on the side that will be placed next to the bark of the rootstock. The other side that goes in is not that important. Use a knife to make it easier to insert the scion branch into the cleft. Make sure that the bark of the rootstock is aligned with the bark of the grafting branch. Now you will need a tape to tighten, and in this way provide a nice grip so the juices reach the scion branch. We will apply grafting wax to the top of the cleft, and in this way we will fit the possibility for water and air to enter. This kind of grafting is best in the spring, when the juices in the bark start. On the other branch we will do exactly the same thing. If you want, you can use another variety of plum or apricot on this branch, and in this way you can have several varieties on the same rootstock. Plums are a diverse group of species. Without pruning, the trees can easily reach 10 meters in height. They blossom in different months in different parts of the world. For example, in about January in Taiwan and early April in the United Kingdom. Roots are usually of medium size, between 2 and 7 centimeters. Plum plants can be propagated successfully on wild apricots, peach and plum rootstocks. Peach rootstocks is recommended for light soils. You can purchase plants directly from the nursery if you want to avoid the propagation process. The plum trees are very strong and hardy, and they generally require less caring. Although taking additional caring will help the plant to grow well and produce more fruit. Instead of this self-adhesive tape, you can use ordinary bags or nylon. Just tie it additionally with some strings. Now I'm going to show you a technique called whip and tongue grafting. This is a little thesis technique for beginners. When you're using this technique, the diameter of scion and the rootstock must be the same. This is not the easiest technique, but the percentage of success is high. If you have any questions, write in comment section, and if you liked the video, please subscribe.